Good evening everybody, and we're back for another bag. I'm here, it's dark, it's cold, it's wet and it's windy. Hence why in my early Christmas present, a nice big oversized black fleece hoodie thing, which I can plug in and heats me up like a wearable hot water bottle, which is bad. But until then, time for bag 6. There we have it, bag 6, which I think is in the books. Fun, again, a really enjoyable bag to build. Bit more of a challenge today. Some really fiddly bits, and my nice stumpy fingers didn't want to fit where they needed to fit. And these little chutes that we built were easy enough, but again a little bit of jip was getting into the right positions. It's probably more tired, maybe a couple of hours sleep. A long day again today, so I think that's probably more that than anything else. But as you can see, we've added some sort of more height here into the central sort of atrium of the post office, and built what I think is the hot air balloon landing pad, whatever it's called. And I'm guessing that the balloon delivers the post or mail, and it gets pushed down these 2 chutes here, which you can see from left and right sides, and they come down here. I'm assuming we'll have another bit of a chute to build tomorrow or one of the later bags. Yeah, really coming together nicely. So I love the look and feel of this set, and for the first winter set I've really built, certainly the first big set I've built in, well, like I said on my first videos, in decades, possibly even ever, really. So I never had the bag of loose Lego and knock yourself active and go building a house. So yeah, really good fun, really enjoyable, and I can't wait to see what bag 7 holds tomorrow. If you like this, then you know the drill by now. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you feel like it, and notification bell if you want to be alerted to impending disappointment. Otherwise, yeah, keep building everybody. I'll catch you next time.